Welcome to the Ranking Factory software setup. We're in Toolbox. Here's all our tools, and we're going to click on HTML Creator, and it's already on Cloud Stacker. We want to come over and click on Cloud Accounts because we're still setting up our cloud accounts, and this tutorial is for setting up the Google account. So we'll start off with cloud.google.com and sign in. So just pick an account and sign in. Now, if this is your first time here, you're going to need to sign up for Google Cloud accounts. You're going to try free and pick the country, agree to the terms, select email updates. You get a $300 credit for free. Agree and continue, and I won't be able to complete this because I already have an account. You select business or personal, individual, and it's going to want a credit card, and I already have an account, so I'm not going to finish this part of it. And you would click on, once you fill out all the information, you click on start my free trial. So I will go back to the dashboard, and once you've signed up for your free trial, you'll come to the upper right corner here and click on console, and on the left you click on the drop down arrow by select a project, and you want to create a new project. And this part of the process doesn't have any SEO significance, so name it whatever you want, and then click on create, and you watch the whirling going on over here. That is the project being created, so just wait until the whirling stops, and then click on the drop down arrow beside select a project and select your project. So this right here underneath ID, this is the ID for this bucket. So I'm going to copy that, and let's open a note document. Where'd we go? Notepad, and here is the name. Now, if you give it a name that is similar to something other people have used, Google will just attach some letters and numbers or something to the name. So you need to make sure that you copy whatever Google has put in this part right here. Never mind what you named it, use the Google name for it. Okay, so once you've got your project ID, you're going to scroll down the side until you get to storage. So you see Google added some numbers after the name that I gave to my project. And once you copy the project ID, and save it to a notepad. Save it to a notepad, and next. Okay, so now we're going to scroll down the left hand side and go to storage. And you're going to click on create a bucket and give the bucket a name, and this name has SEO significance. So the bucket name does have SEO significance, so you want to name it something that like is keyword rich. Okay, dog training secrets, multi-regional, United States, and here it's talking about storage costs, and then click on create a bucket. So once this is done, you come over to the hamburger stack in the left hand corner and go down to IAM and admin, and then down and select service accounts. And you click on create service account and give it a name. And click on create, and then you'll select a role, project, and editor, and click on continue, and create a key, and then over on the right hand side you're going to select P12 create. Okay, and select a place to download the P12 information so that you'll remember where it is, so because you need to upload it to your Ranking Factory software. So we'll give it a name. Okay. Okay, and we're saving the P12 information that we're downloading from Google Cloud. And it also shows up, I'm using Chrome, and Chrome always puts your downloads in the bottom bar. So if you don't remember where you saved it to, you can come down to the bottom bar, right click, and click on Show in Folder, and that will show you where it is. Okay, and then click Done. So here is the, I forget what it's called. This is the service account ID. Copy this information. Now, this looks like it would be the, let's see, it looks like it would be the project ID, but it's not. Here it reads the Doggy Blogger. Here is my project ID. This is what Google named my project. So it's important that I use this one and not this information here. Okay? So now we'll go to the Ranking Factory software. I'll open up my Word or my text document and copy the project ID and paste it in here, and then get my service account ID, which is the email that Google created for us. Paste that in here, and then load P12. Actually, just want to make sure, because I did this earlier, I just want to make sure I'm using the correct desktop P12. Okay. There we go. So here is the correct P12 file, and just take a deep breath, wait a few minutes. Don't have to wait a few minutes, but wait a moment. And there's no need to rush this. Okay, we've waited long enough, I think, and now we're going to click on Add Google Account. And here is my Google account. So it has been added. And that wraps up this tutorial.